So we're here in Mannheim, Germany, and I'm with Ian Mortimer. So Ian, we own in the fund 6 of the 7, Magnificent 7, and we've been doing a lot of work as a team more recently on valuations. So can you just give us an overview of where you think we stand at present?
Yeah, I think it's one we get a lot from clients, as you know. We own 6 of them, so we don't own Tesla. So Tesla's obviously the one with the sort of highest valuation, where we think you're paying up the most for the future growth, which is what we're trying to avoid. And I think big picture for us is, from the work we've been doing, is in comparison to other periods where we've seen sort of bubbles, clearly we are not at those sorts of levels. I think the growth that we're seeing coming through still looks attractive. And I think the thing we've been doing to mitigate some of those risks is, using our equally weighted portfolio. So we've been taking some profits on those stocks that have done well, and make sure we're managing that stock-specific risk alongside.
Within our Innovators Fund, we start by looking at our secular growth themes. Do you think this recent news has changed our outlook on any of these themes?
I think, I think we would rely on the idea of taking that much longer-term view. And clearly, as we stand here today, ASML had very strong results. That was very positive for markets. We've seen somewhat of a recovery in some of those names as well. And so I think that's reflective, again, of the market trying to kind of pass the news, trying to understand what it means. And I think the point on our strategy in terms of the Global Innovators Fund is, we do take that multi-thematic approach. And one of the reasons for that is to have that sort of diversity across the portfolio of different areas. So we own lots of companies exposed to AI, and we think that's really interesting. But today it's maybe 20-25% of the kind of revenues of the companies we own are kind of more directly associated there. And then we've also got other companies within healthcare, other companies in financials, for example. And I think this just reiterates that idea that things can change quite quickly, sentiment can change even faster. And I think that diversified portfolio approach is one we continue to believe in.